Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to search privately on your Mac using both Safari and Google Chrome. Private browsing is useful when you don't want your browser to keep a record of the websites you visit, your searches, or form information after you close the window. Let's start with Safari. Every Mac comes with Safari pre-installed, and by default, you're usually browsing in a regular window. In normal mode, the websites you visit can appear in your browsing history, and Safari may remember search suggestions and autofill information. To open a private browsing window, click File in the menu bar at the top of the screen and choose New Private Window. A new window will open, and you'll see a message explaining that Safari won't remember the pages you visit, your searches, or autofill details after the window is closed. Another easy way to recognize private browsing is by looking at the address bar, which appears darker than it does in a regular Safari window. You can now browse normally, search on Google, or visit websites, and once you close that private window, Safari won't save that session to your local browsing history. Before we continue, if you find these tutorials helpful, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and support more Mac and iPhone guides like this one. Now let's look at Google Chrome. Open Chrome, and you'll likely be in a standard browsing window. To browse privately, click File in the menu bar and select New Incognito Window. Chrome uses the term incognito instead of private browsing, but the idea is very similar. You'll see a page explaining that Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered into forms after the session ends. You can also spot an incognito window by its dark appearance and the incognito icon near the top of the window. From there, you can browse, search, and visit websites as usual. When you're finished, simply close the incognito window and Chrome will remove the browsing session from your local history. One quick tip to keep in mind is that private browsing only prevents your browser from saving activity on your Mac. Websites, your internet provider, school, workplace, or network administrator may still be able to see some of your online activity depending on your connection. That's all there is to searching in private on a Mac. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.